There is no striker in South Africa that is more clinical than Bradley Grobler. There is no South African striker. Let me put it like that. Kuyi-striker esinazo eyidlala la eSouth Africa. Kuyi-striker eyikhona eyirepresenta iBafana Bafana uma kudlalwa. There is no striker that comes close to uBradley Grobler. Lento ayikho bafethu into engiphula umoya ngokuthi lo mjida lo akabizwa for iBafana Bafana. Ngiyazi mdala umjida, but akaze abe nayo inhlanhla yokuthi abizwe more often uthi ayo represent iBafana Bafana. I know sekwabizwa before. Yabo sekwabizwa before, but umjida njalo mengimbona mfethu. Njalo mengimbona akwenzeki mfethu angalishaya inqa. Yabona nje kule season since ejoin iSikhukhune United uyapheka ngempela. iSuperSport United last season neyishizila ngempela engekho uBradley Grobler. Babeshizila bedliwa ngempela. Wabuya uBradley Grobler ebuya kwi-injury wakora magoli wabasiza lapha ezansi, yabo, wabasusa kwi-danger zone. iSuperSport ngempela yayiyehlathini ukuba abuya ngalomjida lo azobasiza, yabo. So ukumbona namhlanje edlala against iKaizer Chiefs escora ibrace ezoshaya neassist akungithusi nje kakhulu, akungithusi, because lento levele ngiyamazi lo mjida lo ukuthi ujwayele ukuyenza lento, into zakhe nje bezodlala nje futhi kwiSikhukhune United ekuyi-team ezomphakela lamabhola wadingayo. iSikhukhune United there are many players lapha abakwaziyo ukucrossa, abakwaziyo ukufaka amabhola, abakwaziyo ukufida umdlalo njengoBradley Grobler. When you look at this player and when you look at umdlalo njengoThemba Zwane, for me uyangifanela njengoThemba Zwane. uThemba Zwane weyi-striker eyikhona la eSouth Africa. uThemba Zwane weyi-striker eyikhona. For me uyadinga ukuthi abizwe Hugo Broos, yabo, abe part of i-striker ezohamba zoyi-represent iBafana Bafana le eMorocco. Yilokho nje engingakusho. He deserves to go to i-AFCON umjida. Yabo, ungangitshela ukuthi mdala, ungangitshela lokhu nalokhu, but for me the guy deserves to go to AFCON. This guy is quality. Yabo, ungangitshela nje itracker zakho lapho kuma comments ungitshela ukuthi hayi Vani ngoba ushaya iKaizer Chiefs. No, ade aqala. Yabo, kade aqala. Inkinga yakhe uyi-injury prone. Yonto engibulala kakhulu ngaye. Yabo, ngabe maningi ama-team amakhulu la ku-Betway Premiership amsayina from iSuperSport United. Inkinga yakhe bethu unokushawa ama-injury. Yabo, yonto ehlezi ngikhala ngayo. Yo ama-injury ambulala, but yena momnikeza ithuba uyakunikeza igoli. Right now number 2, number 3 if I'm not mistaken. Yes, number 3 kubadlali la eSouth Africa abanamagoli amaningi. Number 3, that is huge. He's still playing. noPeter Shalulile la uzomfica manje uPeter Shalulile mayahamba kwiSundowns kuphelile irecord yakhe. Meke wahamba kwiSundowns uPeter Shalulile noma waqhubeka uMiguel Gadoso wangamdlalisa uPeter Shalulile, izoshesha iphele irecord yakhe uPeter Shalulile uma esadlala uBradley Grobler. Njani imbona nje uBradley Grobler escora each and every game, uyambona uyascora each and every game, uyambona uyascora. Irecord la Peter Shalulile lisengcupheni. Mesadlala nje lo mjida khohlwana ukuthi irecord lika Shalulile lisazohlala lema all time goal scorers la kwi-PSL. Nithi nina bafethu, nithi akafaka umjida kuAFCON. Hugo Broos awuvule bafethu, sishoda ngeyi-striker lapha. Akavula isicapho Hugo Broos. Nasi striker mfethu, little striker this one, striker nje sikushayela inqaku, asikhulumi ngezinto eziningi. Ungangitshela ama-comments umjida lo kumele ahambe, kumele nje ngempela ahambe. Uthini umbono wakho kuma-comments?